Let's talk about Follow Up Boss CRM, what the CRM does, why realtors need them, and if you ever felt like leads are falling through the crack, maybe this is a CRM for you. I'll walk you through exactly what the CRM is all about and if it's potentially the right tool for you. Stay with me. I'm going to do a quick introduction and we'll dive right in. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage. I'm also a CRM peer coach with Inside Real Estate, the parent company of kvCORE and BoldTrail CRM. And I'm also, if this is your first time coming to my channel and meeting me for the first time, first of all, thank you, welcome. I appreciate you being here. I do wanted to mention that on this channel, you find everything real estate marketing, lead generation, CRM tutorials, systems, process, lead nurturing, follow up. You'll learn it right here. And if you are looking to really level up in your business, if you're either in the process of getting your license or if you're in the process of thinking about another brokerage because you feel like you aren't being quite supported, then maybe you want to look into eXp Realty. And I highly recommend you look me as your sponsor and or one of your candidates that you interview, because we have this co-sponsorship program in place that eXp just recently launching, which I highly recommend you look into. I did a video on this. And all the information is in the description below. Please book a call. Let's meet. You get access to all my training and resources for free, including my kvCORE support, CRM support. I do have a in-depth CRM potential course masterclass coming up. So stay tuned for that, because whether you're using Follow Up Boss or Command or Chime, formerly known as Chime, Lofty, kvCORE, BoldTrail, it doesn't matter. Or maybe go high level. CRM strategies, marketing principles don't change, and it's applicable to any of your CRM. It really supercharges on exactly how to not just leverage the CRM, but how to truly not just grow your database, but convert your database. And all of those strategies you can get access to. So not just my kvCORE course. So stay tuned for that. I will definitely, if you are interested in my CRM potential course coming up, I'll put a link in the description below, and just put in your information so that you could be the first one to hear about it. That being said, let's talk about Follow Up Boss and why this platform is so good, and if it's the right tool for you. Follow Up Boss is a cloud-based CRM and is designed specifically for real estate teams and solo agents. So yes, you don't have to be part of a team, or you don't have to be a team leader in order to use this, but it does focus heavily on lead follow-up and automated workflows and team accountability. And it is really great. It plays really nicely with lead sources that are coming from Zillow, realtor.com, Facebook ads, etc. However, that's why for me, this is why I'll tell you what makes this CRM unique, and we'll walk you through some comparison to some other CRMs that are out there. So for me, Follow Up Boss is so unique because it's simple. And for me, I didn't use it specifically for my business, but I worked with clients who've used it, and I've used to give lots of strategies around Follow Up Boss and what I like about it, and how Follow Up Boss can supercharge your integration with tools that you already have. And I'll touch on this, what I mean by this, in a second. Let's talk about what makes Follow Up Boss so unique. First of all, the simplicity of it, and I even just love the look of Follow Up Boss. It feels like it's so easier to just user friendly, easier to navigate. It's less clunky than some of the other all-in-one platform like kvCORE, which I completely understand, which is why I became so passionate about teaching people how to use kvCORE, is because we had it free at our brokerage, and I used it for my own business, and I still use it for my own business. And I found that a lot of agents needed help, and it became like a passion project for me, and I still love doing that. And so I completely understand that it could be overwhelming, but what makes Follow Up Boss so exciting, especially when it comes to lead gen, is the lead routing, texting, call feature that is built in. Remember, Follow Up Boss, it's literally in the name of their brand and business, is so great with automation. And if your team leader is so great with the round robin lead assignments and rules, it has a built-in dialer. It has calling tools that are available as well, so we can call directly from the app, track conversation, record calls. So that's great for that. And remember, again, it's a follow-up lead nurturing tool. So some of the other powerful automations that it has is smart list, action plans. You can tag, obviously, kind of like hashtags you can put to customize your follow-up. And you can also trigger text messages, emails, tasks, etc. as well, that are hugely beneficial in order to helping you automate some of those tasks as an agent. So, and it's great for team. A lot of multi-user accountability, visual visibility is available for brokers and team leads, and reporting, pipeline tracking, etc. And these are some buzzwords, but if you're in the space of using CRMs, you know exactly what I mean by all of this. And so the couple of things, the integration is not an all-in-one, so it works with your favorite tools. It can connect. Remember, you can leverage API Nation, but you can also use Zapier for a lot of these, like MailChimp, Google Calendar, Google Sheets. So it does, however, does not include an IDX website or other built-in marketing tools, where that kvCORE and BoldTrail uses. So I'll even do a quick comparison of this, because it doesn't have an IDX website where something like kvCORE is an all-in-one tool. It's a lead gen tool. It is a lead nurturing tool. It is to help you with growing your database, but it's also a CRM, right? And it has a lead capture, a website that comes with it, where Follow Up Boss doesn't. And it's not so much of a lead generation tool, whereas kvCORE has built in landing pages, squeeze pages, property boost stats. There's lots of built-in features to helping you grow your database. However, Follow Up Boss is huge, very strong on automation, very strong on lead nurturing and follow-up, and which I've always told you, and I've said this many times in all of this training, is fortune is in the follow-up. So if you are, looking for that built-in dialer, if you have a hard time learning technology, maybe this tool is the right CRM for you. The learning curve is a bit easier than some of the other tools that are out there that could be a little bit more, the learning curve could be a bit moderate when it comes to that. And customization and building workflows, Follow Up Boss is quite powerful in that. And however, it could be a bit costly, and it could be expensive. But remember, you can book a free trial, you can look at pricing, book a call with them, and work out a system, a package that is right for you. Because something like kvCORE and BoldTrail, I'm a big champion of it, because you do get it for free through your brokerage, and you never know what EXP has in store. But always stay connected, because I always see Follow Up Boss at EXP events, and I'm sure there's something that could be coming, which is that could be exciting for all of us. But remember, Follow Up Boss, to me, I find is best for agents who already have a lead source and want to streamline their CRM to work with those leads faster. So none of your leads kind of fall through the crack, if that makes sense. And there's an effective follow-up in method, where something like kvCORE and BoldTrail, they're better as they're a combo, right? They're like a lead gen website CRM all in one platform. And to me, if you get it for free and it's given to you through your brokerage, then why not leverage it? And that's why I became so passionate about leveraging that tool, because I just didn't want to pay additional for any of the tools, and I just wanted to use one tool. It's not like 3 different CRMs and tools, and I already use Zapier that's connecting all of the tools that I was already using. So I wanted something a little bit more easier. So this is why, for me, if you are either a team leader who wants to do a bit more, have a bit more transparency and agent accountability, then maybe this is a tool that is right for you. Maybe if you have a great lead source coming from Zillow or Google Ads or Facebook, maybe Follow Up Boss is the right tool for you, because you already have that in place and you already have a website solution through your brokerage, and you just need a better CRM backbone. Then maybe Follow Up Boss is the right tool for you. And a couple of honest pros and cons. Again, Follow Up Boss, from my experience using it, again, and supporting my clients and agents, it's fast, it's effective, it's intuitive, it's a bit user friendly, it has great integration to it, strong team features, just amazing for relationship building, lead nurturing, lead follow-up, automation. Again, some of the upside down, like I mentioned, is not an all-in-one platform. There's no website, not a lot of lead gen, not lead gen tools. It is a separate cost you may have to pay for, and just might be an overkill if you're a solo agent, to be honest, and not working on many levels. And if you, I don't know, don't have another income source and you're going into this all-in-one, it might be a little tough. So if you're curious about this, I highly recommend you click on the free trial and give it a test drive. Why not? And if you are watching this and if you want to learn more about, learn and get access to just CRM strategies to level up on any CRM that you're working on, click on that link and put your information, because you'll be the first one to hear about my masterclass that's going to be launching soon on CRM strategies and how to really level up. And again, if you're using kvCORE or BoldTrail and you're thinking about Follow Up Boss, I hope this video helps you. And remember, I have hundreds of free videos on my YouTube channel right here. Check out the playlist. You can watch them. There's a ton of great tutorials that's going to help you level up with kvCORE. I have a 70+ video course that's literally a lead gen marketing course on how to leverage kvCORE to grow your database, to having a successful real estate business, not having to do any other marketing for it. Check that out. You can purchase it, or you can join my group and get access to it for free, whatever is what you're looking for. That being said, thanks for being here. As always, a pleasure. You can leave a comment in the comment section below, a question, and I'll be happy to answer them. And if there's videos that you like to see on this channel, you know what to do. Let me know. Once again, thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you. Take care.